1 apple. Count 1, just 1 red apple. 2 oranges. Let's count. 1, 2. 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 4 strawberries. Count with me. 4 yummy fruits. 5 stars, sparkling in the sky. Let's count to 5. 6 balloons, floating high. 1 to 6, wow! 7 ducks, quack quack. Count 7 ducks. 8 fish, swimming fast. Let's count to 8. 9 flowers, blooming bright. Count 9. 10 cars, beep beep. Let's count to 10. Let's count fingers. 1 to 10. Wiggle them all. Count apples with Teddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bunny loves carrots. Let's count. 1 to 5. The frog catches flies. 1, 2, 3, ribbit. 5 train cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count the shapes. Circle, square, triangle. 3 shapes. 1 apple plus 1 apple makes 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 3 makes 5. Let's count together. 3 balloons, 1 pops away. Now 2 left. Let's count the fruits in the basket. 1 to 10. Numbers get bigger. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. Let's count from 1 to 20. Ready? Go! Hop on the number train. 1 to 20 together. Shapes and numbers. Let's count circles and squares. Jump and count. Numbers 1 to 10 bouncing. Count the toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pop the balloons as we count. 1 to 10. Stack ice cream scoops. 1 to 10. Yummy fun. Buzz, buzz. Bees count flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count backward. 10, 9, 8. Blast off! Bunny and Teddy count together. 1 to 10. Yay! 3 apples plus 2 apples, that makes 5. 5 balls minus 2. Count how many left. 3. Match numbers to objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. Colorful numbers in a rainbow. Count with me. Count the sides. Triangle has 3. Square has 4. Cupcakes time. Count 1 to 6. Delicious! How many stars do you see? Guess and count. Amazing! You counted all numbers from 1 to 20. Great job, kids! You learned counting and math. Yay! Yay! You did a great job! Don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a fun learning video. See you next time, friends!